Hello everyone, welcome to AMC India. Today I am going to show you how to make Hyderabadi style Mirchi Salan. Let's start. For today's recipe, I am using 24 centimeters hot pan. Switch on the flame and preheat the pan until roasting window. It has reached roasting window. I am switching off the audio thumb. Switch the flame to low. To make curry, first we have to make masala paste. For that we have to dry roast the masala. I am adding coconut, peanuts, coriander seeds, sesame seeds, jeera, poppy seeds, we have to dry roast them. All the ingredients are roasted. I've taken them into the bowl and let them cool down. Now into the same pan, I'm adding a little bit of oil. We have to fry the onion. Onions are roasted. Into this, I'm adding 4 green chilies. Just fry them for a second. I'm switching off the flame. Along with all these ingredients, we have to grind onions and make it into a smooth paste. Now I'm switching on the flame again. Add a little bit of oil. To make Mirchi Salan, I am using large size green chilies. We have to fry them first. Close the lid and let them cook for a minute. Mirchis are fried. Next, take them out into a bowl. Mirchis are fried. Now let's start making curry. For that, I am preheating hot pan. I am setting the audio tone to roasting window. Audio tone is connected to mobile app. It has reached roasting window. I am switching the flame to low. Switching off the audio tone. Into this, I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil, jeera, mustard seeds, methi seeds, curry leaves, brown paste, along with half cup of water. Close the lid and let it cook for a minute. It's been a minute. Now into this, I'm adding turmeric, salt, tamarind juice, fried mirchi, Add coriander. Now I'm going to cook this for 8 minutes in carrot window. I'm setting the audio count to carrot window for 8 minutes. I'm switching the flame to high again. It has reached carrot window. I'm switching off the sound and switching the flame to low. Cooking time is completed. I'm switching off the audio tone. Add little bit more coriander. Our mirchi ka salan is ready.